Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my May base box, Boxycharm box here. Now normally I would do an unboxing of it and then I would do a trying on part, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to do the unboxing part because, not going to lie guys, I'm really disappointed in Boxycharm this month. And I'll get into that as to why. So this is not going to be a very positive video when it comes to the actual box itself. So if you guys don't like negative videos, then I would suggest clicking off of this and going and finding another Boxycharm video to watch. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get into this. I have a lot to say. So yeah, if you want to see why I'm not so happy today, then please go ahead and stick around. So this month didn't come with a card. Which I don't know why they keep doing that. Sometimes I get a card, sometimes I don't. And I'm not really for sure why. But anyways. Alright, so as usual, I did get to choose an item this month. You normally do. And I did get what I chose, which is fine. The problem is, okay, so I don't know how to start this video. I'm like all over the place. Okay, so first up, I have the Hourglass Vanishing Flash Highlighting Stick. And this is what I chose. And I got it in the shade Pink Flash, which I was not happy about. So I was like, pink? Why pink? Which was not the problem. The thing is, when I got this in the box, the bottom was open like that. And I was like, oh, that's a little weird. And then when I got it, when I got this, or when I opened it, this stick was not in here. It was inside the cap. So it was like broken. And it's like a mess. Which, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. I'm still going to use it. But I just wasn't happy with the shade so far. And it was just kind of weird that it was kind of broken. I had to put it back together. And I don't know. I was like, well, that's kind of weird. But that's really not the big issue here. Alright, so there's one item. And I don't know what the retail value of this is because it doesn't have the card. I have their website page up, and it's $42 is what they say this is for. I was like, okay, you know, it's weird that it's broken, but it's, you know, that does happen. Alright, and the next product in here is, which I didn't even, maybe I just didn't pay attention this month, but I thought from the spoilers and from pictures, I was expecting a whole different box, basically. But what I got was this Beauty Creation Cali Chick palette, which I was like, okay, that's fine. You know, it's a cute palette. Nothing spectacular. I'm just expecting the products because I saw like I don't know, like, it was okay. I was like, okay. That's not what I was expecting because they had so many advertisements for the Studio makeup palette. So this one just kind of threw me off because that's what I was expecting to see. Which this retails for, $14.99. So I was, you know, another okay product. Not what I was expecting. This is where things take a little bit of a turn for the worse. Okay, so next up is this Blanc Black Lash Primer. So this one kind of threw me off because I was like, I didn't even see anything about a lash primer. That doesn't really surprise me. So it's just a black primer. And this retails for, so this supposedly retails for $26. You know, not impressed at all. Alright, so the last two items are really what throw me off. I saw this Wonder Beauty palette here, Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighting Palette, which normally, you know, I'd be excited to get this, but I didn't even see anything about this product being in the box. And the weird thing is, I don't even see it listed on the website. Like, normally, you can go to review the box or whatever to get your Boxycharm points, and you can find the product that's in the box and review it. But this one's not even listed, so I have no idea where this product came from. I have a feeling that this, and you guys can let me know in the comments, I feel like this is a past product, like a long time ago product, which I'm not for sure because I don't know. I've seen this product around before, like in pictures and things, but I don't remember if it was in Boxycharm or if it was in Ipsy. I don't know. So I don't even know where this product, like, why it's in my box, because it was not, like, advertised to be in the box. I even watched the base box reveal video just now on YouTube, on their Boxycharm YouTube channel, and this isn't even an option. So I don't even know where this came from. I don't even know. So I don't even know how much this is worth, because it's not on the website. So I'm really confused as to why I got this product. All right, and then the last product is in my box is a perfume, which again, I didn't see any variations of there being a perfume in the box. It is on the website, but this is the English Laundry No. 7 perfume. I mean, it smells nice. I mean, I wouldn't mind getting perfumes in the box, but this supposedly retails for $24. I'm just going to tally up the prices now, and then I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on everything and kind of why I'm upset about this. Alright, so minus the Wanderer Beauty palette, or, highlighting blush palette, because I don't know what the value of that is, everything else came to $106.99. Which, I mean, that's not a bad price value, and you guys might be thinking, well, why are you upset? Because you got some good stuff or whatever, or you got stuff that's still worth more than the actual what you paid for. The issue what I'm having here is the fact that I'm not getting what they're saying that I should be getting. Like I said, I watched the video on the face reveal, and this perfume wasn't even an option, and this, I don't know if this was just a mistake and they threw a product in here that wasn't supposed to be in here or what. So 2 products here are, I didn't even know was an option, and what they showed as an option of your chance of you getting, I'm not getting. So that's not really setting right with me, because I feel like that's very much false advertisement, because I know they were showing that micellar, or that Tarte micellar cleanser thing that I was hoping that I was going to get, but the other option that they showed I might get was a lip pencil, and I didn't get either one of those. And then there was a primer, a Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer that I've been seeing all over their Instagram, and it seemed like there was one other option, and I was supposed to get either of those, and I got this Wanderer Beauty palette here. Which normally, guys, I would be fine with this stuff. I wouldn't have a problem with it. It's just the fact that they're not really giving you what they say they're going to give you is what's, like, bugging me. So, I don't know. At this point, I'm really considering, I think I'm going to give them another month, and I might cancel, guys. I didn't want to have to cancel, but I don't know. If you're going to, I don't know. I just feel like they're really going downhill, and they're being really sneaky about, they're trying to get you to subscribe, so they show you all these good spoilers and stuff, and then you sign up thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to get that this month or whatever, and then they give you stuff that I feel like is old stuff. Like, even on the website here, I was looking at all the other options that, there's 4 pages here of other items that you could be getting. So, there's the lip pencil that I could have gotten, and I was supposed to, either the other option was this face wipes, and then there's the Pretty Vulgar primer and everything, and then that Jouer Cosmetics, which I think that one could have been either that one or this thing, the highlighting stick. But even more pages, there's like older products in here that I know have been around for a bit. Like these lashes. I got these lashes a long time ago in one of these boxes. And Hank and Henry liquid liner here. I got that several months ago. Even this, I think this brush set. I think that one's been around a bit. That was in this past, I think it was in last month's box. And then I don't even know where the shampoo bar came from. They didn't show that as an option. These Ace Beauty duos, I've got those several months ago. the Violet Voss Essentials palette, this Dominique Cosmetic Lemonade Lip Gloss, which, I mean, is all good products, but I don't know why they're cycling and reusing products that have been in past boxes, I guess for people that haven't gotten them, which I feel like that's a little bit, I don't know, like, not good, because, which I understand if they have a bunch of these products that they want to get rid of, but I feel like it's very misleading to be putting past box products into, you know, the current box, because we've already seen all that stuff, so we're expecting new stuff, but they're giving other people that haven't gotten it old stuff, which I don't know. How do you guys feel about that? I feel like that's a bit misleading and sneaky, and I feel like instead they should just give the people the options to buy the products instead of getting them in their box like the Boxy add-ons. They should just put them up there, so if people wanted an item and they didn't get it, they can still get it. So I don't know. This month was just very, did not sit well with me. Normally I would be happy with everything in this box. It's just the fact that this was not what I was expecting from just seeing their spoilers and the base box reveal. When I opened my box, I was like, what is this? You know, like I said, the one product that I expected to get, I did get, which I'm happy, but it came broken. I mean, I fixed it, but it's just, I don't know, I don't know if it was just when it got here, you know, in transition, it got broken, or maybe because it's been a little hotter, maybe it just stuck to the top, I don't know. But it was open too, so that just seems kind of weird. But yeah, guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I'm sorry that it was not a very positive one, but I'm not going to pretend that I'm happy with something when I'm not. That's just not how I do things. I'm going to give it to you guys, like, I guess, raw and real. This is how I truly feel about this, and I'm really contemplating, and I'm really considering unsubscribing or canceling it, but I'm going to give June a chance. They have a Boxy Luxe coming up, and then I have Premium. But if they're going to keep doing stuff by misleading me and making me think I'm going to get certain items and I end up getting something else, I just don't agree with that type of business. Like, I don't agree with how they're running the business so far. I don't know why it's gone downhill. It's just, I've noticed it has gone drastically downhill. Like, I was okay with different variations. I wasn't really happy about that because, like, again, they keep advertising the really good items, and then they're like, oh, but you might not get it. You might get something else instead, and then they kind of hide what are the other options so that you more focus on the good ones. And then you're disappointed because you get the crappier, not really crappier, but the not as exciting products. Which that was already starting to not sit right with me. But now that they're just throwing in products that they're not even telling us about is really not setting well with me. So I don't know if this is just a fluke, like this was just a mistake, but I kind of feel like that's a big mistake. I don't know. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. But I'm going to give it one more month, and then I'm going to decide from there whether or not I'm going to be sticking with it or not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I am sorry that this video is kind of rambly. I wasn't even planning on filming today. I was planning on filming tomorrow after I got my box, but I saw my box and I was like, yeah, I gotta talk about this. So this is my rant video, I guess. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down in the descriptions if you guys got any products that you weren't supposed to be getting, and what you guys thought about May's base box this month. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Even though this video is negative, I'm not going to lose sleep over this. I'm just going to, it's done, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But yeah, bye guys.